Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, many newcomers after coming to Canada, they begin with a survival job because Canada is very expensive and it's very important that you have money to survive here. So, so if you are currently working in a warehouse, retail, food service or delivery, listen carefully. There is no shame in survival job. You might be earning very well and successful in your field back home, but here for survival, if you are doing these jobs, there is no shame. But the mistake many people make in these jobs is getting comfortable. Sometimes this can become a trap. So if you are doing a survival job, I'm going to provide you the strategy how you can rebuild. First of all, maintain your confidence. Your current job does not define your identity. It's temporary support until you establish yourself. Even during this job, dedicate learning time. At least a 1 hour daily or more than that, work on certification or skill upgrade so that you can really show that what you have done during these time when you did not have a job in your field. You need to have proper evidence or proof of skill. Build portfolio. The volunteer projects could be your life saving. Freelance also, you can do some gigs on platform like Fiverr and all, where you can really demo that what you are capable. Now, with these you can always show in your skills. Now online visibility is very important. Keep posting in your field, share industry insight, comment professionally on social media posts relevant to your skills, especially on platforms like LinkedIn. Become visible. Okay. And when you're actually getting an interview in your field, tell your story confidently and also explain during the survival period what you did, that instead of dampening your skills, actually sharpened your skills. So if you follow the measures that I have defined above, that will definitely help you. So if you follow these strategies, maybe it will help you. Okay. So this is what I wanted to discuss with you guys. So thanks for watching this video guys, and please subscribe to the channel and let me know what you feel about it. Thank you.